In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete cookies in Chrome for a specific site, step by step, without clearing everything from your browser. This is really useful if one website is acting strangely, not loading properly, keeping you signed out, or just needs a fresh start, but you don't want to lose cookies and data from every other site you use. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open the website where you want to remove the cookies. Make sure the site is already loaded in Chrome, because the next steps are based on the site you're currently visiting. Once the page is open, look to the left of the address bar and click the Settings icon. This is the little Site Controls or Page Information icon that lets you manage permissions and data for that exact website. After you click it, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Site Settings. This takes you to Chrome's settings page for that specific website, where you can control permissions and manage stored data. On the Site Settings page, look for the option that says Delete Data and click it. Chrome will then show you a confirmation prompt for clearing the site's stored cookies and data. This is the important part because this action applies only to the site you selected, not to your entire browsing history or all cookies in Chrome. Now click Delete to confirm. Chrome will remove the cookies and local data for that specific website, which can help fix login issues, page errors, or strange behavior on that site. And that's it. You've now deleted cookies in Chrome for just one specific site. Again, only that site's cookies are deleted, so the rest of your browser stays untouched. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful Chrome tips, and I'll see you in the next video.